Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kim, aka KIMSDOPE. I do a little bit of everything from beauty haul, DIY, lifestyle. So if you're down with that, then come and chill and grab a snack and take a break. And let's see what I got from my Eagle haul. If y'all want to see what I got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Oh my god, do you like the smell of new shoes in like hardware stores like Home Depot and like freaking Lowe's and shit? Because if you do, then you are the people for me. I love that smell. I don't know why. It's like crack, literally. Anyways, these are the heels that I wore for my birthday last year. I might have up, y'all. Just a little. But I had fun. I haven't gone out in so long after having 2 babies. It was fun. But these are the shoes here. It's a square toe nude net heels. So cute. I got all of these shoes on sale. Definitely worth checking out. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. But yeah, they were all like under $10, if I remember correctly. Oh, it smells so good. I got these heels right here with the strappy strap. I think these are red, but it's literally on the cusp of like an orangey red. But like, look how pretty the square toe heel is. Look at that. Really, it's like different shaped. I don't even know what you would call this type of heel, but it's really pretty. I don't know, it's different. I don't have any red heels in my collection, so I picked that one up. I don't know what's wrong with me and letting things just sit and marinate for months at a time before deciding to film, but that's me, y'all. I have these white heels. Obviously the square toe heel is in, I would say. Hella cute, self-explanatory. Like, it's a must-have, essential type of shade in your wardrobe that you need in your wardrobe, okay? I got these bubblegum pink heels. Oh my god, these are cute, y'all. Look at that wedge. It's so cute. It has a little bow in the front. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get one of those gummy things so that they're not too uncomfortable to wear. Or something, you know. Because I ain't trying to break my heels. I already broke my ankle, like my right ankle back in like 8th grade. How many years ago was that? Like almost a decade ago. Okay. I don't need to break no more heels, y'all. It was not fun. Those are really cute. And then I got these ones. Hold on, I have to smell it. I don't know. I also like that garage smell. It's like, it smells so good to me. But yeah, these are the brown ones. Super cute. I'm definitely not going to try them on, okay? We don't show feet for free over here. Not that we sell feet pics. I should. Not gonna lie. But yeah, y'all don't want to see these dogs, okay? No. Not YouTube appropriate. That's like Twitter festivities, okay? Oh my god, you guys, look at these. Look at these. Blue bedazzled heels. It's clear. Oh my god, I love it. I'm in love with like the square toe style. I don't know why. It's really cute. I'm definitely gonna have to add a gummy or something here because it looks like it might be uncomfortable. Look how flat that is, you know? But that's really pretty. Oh my god, y'all. I'm definitely not keeping any of the boxes because I have no space for that. Let's see what else I got. Oh, these are cute. These green pumps. Y'all, these are freaking cute. I don't know, it's giving me like 80s vibes. Like hippie vibes. I don't know why. But they're really cute. I can't wait to wear that. I forgot that I even got these ones. Okay. Yep. I was right. These are the black and white boots. Oh my god, look how cute these are. That wedge size and the grip. Yes. Tell me these aren't cute though. What are these a dupe of? I don't remember, but these are bomb. A must-have in your wardrobe, okay? Oh my god, y'all. It's stacking over here. Okay. Last pair. Oh, these are so cute. These are the orange heels. Look how cute. It's a thong for your feet, for your toes. Literally, these are really cute. The straps are hella long too. Oh my god, my hair is like making my face itchy. You know how like a strand just tickles your face? Yeah, that's what just happened. But yeah, these are super cute. Yeah, that was my last pair, y'all. That was pretty quick. I am glad because I know people don't like long videos like that anymore. But yeah, if you guys like videos like this, you already know what to do, okay? I don't have to keep telling you, but click that notification bell, give me a sub, and I hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye.